Hi, I'm John Brender from Wayne State University.
你好，我是杜鹃 Sylvia. So, did you see our performance on Saturday?
Oh my gosh, I don't know if I was more impressed with your dancing or your choreography.
Oh, why didn't you join us?
You know I can't dance.
I can teach you. 我手把手的教你. Do you understand?
Does that mean hand in hand you'll teach me? Does that mean you'll teach me step by step?
Exactly.
Can you say that again in Chinese?
Of course. 我手把手的教你. 我手把手的教你.
Now you try it. So can you teach me to do that little head roll thing you do?
You mean like this?
Yeah, how do you do that?
我手把手的教你. First, try to touch your shoulder with your ear.
Like this?
That's just great. And then try to draw a half C with your head. When swing your body to the left, but keep your eyes fixed on one vantage point.
Like this?
Maybe you can do this later. That's all for today. Like us on Facebook.
Subscribe to us on YouTube or Youku.
再见。我过会儿手把手的教你。